Good morning, dear students. Last class, I have finished problems on mixing of union and intersection. At the same time, I have given different types of problems on difference of two sets also. At the same time, little bit some problems I have finished on disjoint sets also, which are forming disjoint sets and which are not forming disjoint sets. About those also I told in the previous classes. Now today I am going to solving some different types of problems, that is practical problems with help of sets. And before that, with help of practical problems means we need one important formula here. Actually, after completion of difference of sets, complement of set will come because they did not included that complement of sets in our syllabus. Directly they came to that to solve practical problems on sets only here. Now practical problems on sets means we need this formula under the notice. Let capital A and capital B, capital A and capital B be any two sets, be any two sets, be any two sets, then n of A union B is equal to n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Based on this formula, today we will solve different types of problems. Based on this formula only. N means here cardinal number. Cardinal number of that set means the number of how many number of elements are present in that set. We are calling that cardinal number. Now see here, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Generally, we are seeing diagrammatically here, it is a Venn diagram. Universal sets, and one is set A here, another one is set B here. N of A means total set numbers A plus total set numbers B, and exclude that point of intersection like this. See, but if we can represent horizontal lines for set A here, horizontal lines this. Vertical lines for set B here. That is. Where horizontal and vertical they are mixing, that is called A intersection B here. It is the n of A intersection B. That's why total number of elements of set A plus total number of elements of set B minus the total number of elements of A intersection B. The number of elements of set A plus the number of elements of set B minus the number of common elements. Then you are getting that n of A union B total, n of A union B elements. The number of elements in the set A union B. That is, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Because so many formulas are there on cardinal number. But just it's the first class. Now today we will solve the problems on this formula only. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. By solving simple problems with help of this, easily you can analyze different types of practical problems. At a time, we will give some other important formulas under this notch. But right now, today we will solve the problems on this formula only here. Now let us, we will see some different types of problems on this formula. But those types of problems are there in exercise 1.6. I have finished 1.4 because I did not finish 1.5 means 1.5 belonging to complement of sets. But complement of set they did not introduce in syllabus up to now. If they can include syllabus, we will solve those questions also. Up to now, recently they announced a syllabus copy from PU board. In that PU board, they did not enter, they deleted that chapter, that is the complement of set. That's why I did not give information about complement of set also. Now, we'll discuss about practical problems that is based on n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B here. Now we are going to selecting those problems from exercise 1.6. The first question, if x and y, if capital X and capital Y are the two sets such that n of x is equal to 17, n of x is equal to 17, n of y is equal to 23, n of y is equal to 23, and n of x union y is equal to 38, n of x union y is equal to 38. Then find n of x intersection y. Same, just now I told the formula n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Instead of A and B, they gave the letters X and Y only here. That's what. Now let us, we are going to starting that solution for this question is solution. Given that n of x is equal to 17, n of x is equal to 17, n of y is equal to 23. Next, n of x union y is equal to 38. 38 here. Now consider n of x union y formula, but with the help of all these three, they are asking this question, what is n of x intersection y? How much? They are asking here, question mark. They gave three values, n of x is equal to 17, n of y is equal to 23, n of x union y is equal to 38. With the help of all these three, they are asking how much, that which value for x, n of x intersection y you are getting. About that they are asking. That's why for this we have to apply n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B formula here. See here. Consider n of x union y is equal to n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y here. N of x and y is how much here? 38. N of x is how much here? 17. Plus n of y means here 23 minus n of x intersection y here. Send n of x intersection y this side and send 38 that side. Then n of x intersection y is equal to 17 plus 23, 40. If we can send 38 that side, it becomes negative 38, that is minus 38. Final answer is how much here? N of x intersection y is equal to here 2. Two is the answer here. N of x intersection y is equal to 2 here. Like that we are finding a unknown value from known values in the practical problems of the sets. Just one and only one single formula today I told you. That is n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Instead of a and b they gave letters x and y here. That is only difference between formula and formula of this problem. N of x they gave, n of y they gave, n of x and y they gave. But n of x intersection y is how much? Now, Venn diagram, how to write Venn diagram for this question? See, I will show you Venn diagram also, how to write Venn diagram. Venn diagram for this question. Venn diagram for this answer of this question. Venn diagram. Venn diagram is very simple. N of x they gave how much? 17 they gave, no? N of y they gave how much here? 23. N of x union y they gave here 38. N of x intersection y they gave here we got 2 answers. Finally here we got no. N of x union y they gave 38. N of x intersection y is equal to Venn diagram say here. It is set x, it is set y. Common elements. What are the common elements we should write first? Common elements how much? 2 are there. How many elements for the common? For x and y, 2 we are getting. That's why I put it 2 only. That should be commonly for both sets x and y. Now when of x is 17 here. Already commonly 2 is there. That is 17 minus 2 means 15. Already 2 is there. It is the 2 for set x. But totally n of x is equal to 17. N of x is equal to here 17. 17 they gave here. That's why 17 already 2 is there means remaining elements are 15. Next. That 2 is included for y also. And n of y elements how many? N of y is 23 they give. N of y is equal to 23 here. 23 here. 23 means already 2 are there. And you subtract these 2 from 23, then you will get 21. That is. If you can club all this, if you can add all these 3, you should get 38. Whether you are getting 38 or just to check them. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 21, definitely 38 will come. That's why we can write n of x union y is equal to here 38. Like that we're drawing Venn diagram. Like that we're going to representing the sets in the Venn diagram. First, common elements. What are the common elements between those two sets? We should write. With the help of that only, we are going to writing number of elements individually for the sets x and y here. Then afterwards, you can add all the elements. You should get n of x union y is equal to 38. How much they gave? We must and should get that much only here. They gave 38 and we got also 38. This is the Venn diagram for this question. Now let us, we are going to moving to solve another questions. That is the second question. Second question is, if x and y are two sets, if x and y are two sets, x and y are two sets such that x union y have 18 elements. 18 elements, comma, x has 8 elements. X has 8 elements. X has 8 elements and y has 15 elements. And y has 15 elements. Y has 15 elements. Then how many elements does how many elements does x intersection have, y have? That is question mark. Before this question, directly they gave numbers with help of their cardinal number formula. Like n of x, n of y, n of x intersection y, n of x union y, like that they asked in the previous question. Now in this question, they are asking in terms of words they gave. In words they gave numbers. Like x union have the 18 elements. X has 8 elements, y has 15 elements, but how many elements does x union y have? Like that they are asking here. See, let us now, we are going to starting the solution for this question. Solution. N of x is equal to, given that, otherwise first you should write let x and y. Let x and y are the two sets. Given that n of x is equal to 8. N of x is equal to 8. N of y is equal to 15. and n of x union y is equal to x union y is equal to here x union y is equal to here 18 elements. But they're asking question n of x intersection y is how much? How many elements the set have? They're asking the question here. Same union formula you have to apply for this also. Same thing they're asking here also according to previous question. But in the previous question they asked directly, but in this question they're asking in words. That is only difference between the present question and the previous question. Now we are going to consider union formula, that is considered x union y. Considered x union y. N of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y is minus n of x intersection y here. That is n of x is how many elements here? N of x and y is 18 is equal to 15 plus 8 plus 15 minus, it is the, as t is we should write, it is the unknown value. We have to find out answer for this only. Send n of x and y this side and send 18 that side. Then if you can send that side, it becomes negative. That is positive. My negative is there, it becomes positive. X intersection y is equal to 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15 becomes 23 minus 18. 23 minus 8 becomes 5 will come. That is n of x intersection y is equal to 5 here. See. See here, n of x union y, n of x intersection y is equal to, we can write 23 minus 18 is 5. It is the answer for this question. X union y is equal to 23 minus 18. That's the formula before this. In the previous question, which formula we applied? Same formula here also we applied. That is n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b here. That's Venn diagram. How to write Venn diagram here? Venn diagram for this question. Venn diagram. What they are giving here, first what they give values, should write here n of x equal to 8, n of y is equal to 15, n of x intersection y is equal to, we got 5. But with help of this, finally we should get that value is n of x union y is equal to 18. 18 we are getting or not, we have to check by applying that Venn diagram. Now Venn diagram, say here, the Venn diagram. One set is x, another set is y. X sets. Commonly, what are the elements are there, just you should write them only. Commonly, our x intersection y is equal to 5 here, 5. Next, list out the elements for this. Because here n of x they gave how many elements here? N of x is equal to here. N of x is equal to 8 they gave here. But already 5 are there. 5 means remaining elements 8 minus 5, 3 here. But 3 plus 5, 8. 8 is there. Next, n of y they gave, n of y is equal to, n of y is equal to, they gave in the question 15. Already 5 included in this set y. 5 included in this set y. Remaining elements 15 minus 5, 10 will come here. Like this. Total elements for set x is 3 plus 5, 8. 8 as it is there. And elements for set y is total in set y 5 plus 10, 15 are there. That's why totally if you can add all these three elements should get 18 only. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 10, 18. Therefore we can write here n of x union y is equal to 18. Is the answer for this question. This question now. N of x they gave, n of y they gave, and n of x intersection y we found that here. N of x and y they gave here. After finding unknown value from known values, we must and should draw this Venn diagram. In that Venn diagram, we represent those elements here. Now let us, we are going to give you answer for third question. Third question is, in a group of 400 people, in a group of 400 people, in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi. 250 can speak Hindi. 250 can speak Hindi. 250 can speak Hindi. And 200 can speak English. 200 can speak English. 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both? How many people? How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Both Hindi and English. Both Hindi and English here. Here also they gave question in words only. In words means just number of people, how many number of people can speak Hindi, how many number of can speak English, like that individually separate also they give. But commonly they did not give, that is we have to find here. Now let us, we are going to giving answer for this question. Solution for this question is, let E represents people can speak English. People can speak English. Can speak English. Let H represents let H represents people can speak Hindi. People can speak Hindi. Based on that, now we should write which letter we must and should take for English, which letter we must take for Hindi. Like that here, we have taken those two letters also. Based on those two letters, what they gave in the question, we should take them only. Given that n of e is equal to they gave 200. n of h is equal to 250. In a group of 400 people means combining them, n of e union h 400. All are will come in 400. Either speak English or speak Hindi. That's why we can take union h is equal to 400. But n of E intersection is how much they are asking here? Question mark. That is only here. Same formula how to apply. Consider n of U union H is equal to n of E plus n of H minus n of E intersection H. That is based on that formula here. Is the question. In the question, A represents people can speak English. Let H represents people can speak Hindi. And given that with help of those two letters, what they gave in the question, we are listing those numbers only here. N of E is equal to 200, N of H is equal to 250, N of U union H is equal to 400. But what about commonly they are asking? So for that I applied one union formula. Now based on that, with help of this formula, we are giving answer for this question. Is equal to, this implies n of union H is 400 is equal to n of E is 200 plus n of H is 250 minus n of E intersection H. Sign this side and sign 400 that side. N of E intersection H is equal to 200 plus 250, 450 minus 400 is equal to N of E intersection H is equal to 450 minus 400 becomes 50. The 50 number of peoples, they are speaking both English and Hindi. Like that we are finding commonly who are the speaking both English and Hindi. Like that we found here N of A intersection H is equal to 50. Now let us, we are going to drawing Venn diagram. Venn diagram for this is Venn diagram. N of E, they gave 200. N of H, they gave 250. N of E intersection H, we have 50. And finally, with help of this, we should get N of E union H is equal to 400 we should get, adding all the numbers. See here, Venn diagram. It is the one set E, it is the another sets H, English and H. Commonly, which elements we have here? 50. Here, N of E is they gave 200. N of E they gave here 200. But commonly already 50 is there. 200 minus 50 means how much here? 150 here. Here 150. After this is 150 and remaining 50. Totally 200s. Next, N of H they gave 250. 250. Already 50 over there commonly here. 250 minus 50 becomes here 200s. If we can add all this, 150 plus 50, 200, and 200 plus 200, totally 400. That's what finally we can write here. N of U union H is equal to here 400s. This is the Venn diagram for this question. Like that, we'll solve some other questions also. Same. Now let us, we are going to solving another question. If S and T, S and T, S and T are two sets, such that S has 21 elements. S has 21 elements. Comma, T has 32 elements. T has 32 elements. Comma, and S intersection T has 11 elements. S intersection T has 11 elements. Then find, how many elements does S union T have? Then how many elements? How many elements S union T have? The question mark. They gave two sets here. S has 8 elements, 21 elements. T has 32 elements, and S intersection T have 11 elements. Same. Separate elements they gave, common elements they gave. With the help of all these three, we have to find union of S intersection T here. See here. Solution for this question is given that N of S n of s is equal to 21, n of t is equal to 32, n of s intersection t is equal to, n of s intersection t is equal to 11. But how many elements they are asking? N of s union t is question mark. Question mark. It is the question mark. Same union formula here you have to apply. Consider S union t, n of s union t is equal to n of s plus n of t minus n of s intersection t here. That is, n of s union t is equal to, n of s is 21, n of t is 32 minus 11. N of s union t is equal to 21 plus 32. 21 plus 32 is 53. 53 minus 11. 53 minus 11 means 3 plus 8. 42 elements will come here. (21 plus 32 is 53. 53 minus 11. 53 minus 11 means here 42 elements will come here. Now we are going to drawing a Venn diagram for this is. They gave number of elements for S, number of elements for T, and even number of elements for commonly also. Now we are going to drawing Venn diagram for this. Venn diagram. N of s is equal to 21. N of t is equal to 32. N of s intersection t is equal to 11. With the help of that, finally should get n of s union t is equal to 42 here. Diagram, Venn diagram here. S is one set. T is another set here. Common elements we should write first 11. N of s is equal to 21 they gave here. Already 11 are there common. 21 minus 11 becomes how much here? 10. After this is the 10 elements. But including 10 or 11 also 21 becomes. N of t is equal to 32. Already 11 are there. 11, 32 minus 11. 32 minus 11 becomes 21 here. 21 because 2 and 32. 32 minus 11 becomes here 21 here. See, adding all this 10 plus 11 21. 21 plus 21 42. Therefore, n of s union t is equal to here 42 elements you are getting here. Like that we are drawing Venn diagram for this question. Like that, today I have finished some different types of practical questions on sets. Next class also we will solve different types of problems, that is different types of practical problems with help of different types of sets. Thank you very much.